Hi ladies, happy Friday. Hope we're having a great week. Hope you have a great weekend. I'm just gonna get ready with me here quickly today. Just doing a little, no makeup. So this is for anyone that has their Saint makeup, or if you don't have Saint makeup and you like to do just a little few extras with your current routine. This is great. So I'm gonna be using today the Celesty BB Cream. And I love this because it has SPF 25 and it has vitamin E in it. So it's very, very hydrating on your skin, great for fine lines and wrinkles. And it already has the SPF in it. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer, illuminator, maybe some contour, some blush. So a quick, easy get ready with me today. Hi, Kim. So when you pop on, say hi, let me know how you're doing, and let's get right into it. I wanna keep you long today. I'm just getting ready to head out. It's a sunny day, but cool. What's the weather like where you are today? Are you feeling better, Kim? I hope you're up and on the go again. So let's see. So I'm going to start with the Celesty BB Cream. And like I said, this is SPF 25, so it's great for anyone that doesn't have Saint and you want a little extra something, or you still like your traditional liquid foundation, but this is really, really light and it's very hydrating as well. So I'm just going to use this. Now, with the way I put it on, sometimes I put it on with my fingers, and that's fine, but most times I put it on the back of my hand. That's probably too much. And then I use one of my Saint brushes. So I'm gonna do that today. What brush am I gonna use? Let's do the 3D brush, because a lot of ladies have this one. So I'm gonna tap in and just gonna tap that on. Now I'm gonna focus on those areas. The coverage on this is amazing. And I love, this is 03, so it comes in, I think there's 5 colors actually. So you can pick it based on your skin tone, and I can help you with that as well. But it's very, very nice and light. Add some beautiful coverage. I'm just going to tap it in over here and on the other side, and then everywhere else I can spread that around. So I've been a little bit MIA this week, but I'm hoping to get back more in March. February was kind of off for me. A lot of things going on. So I'm back, ladies, and you'll see more of me. Let me know if there's something you want to see. I'm always open to suggestions. I'm gonna do a contour class next week. I feel a little bit on my neck because I know a lot of ladies struggle with contour. It's something new that a lot of us have never used before Saint, and I was one of those. I just learned by trial and error, just like you guys, and then I share what I learned with you. So there is my BB cream. Beautiful coverage on that. And it just gives you the most hydrated finish. And this is an amazing primer, actually, underneath your Saint makeup. I do this a lot. I put this on because it has the SPF in it and the vitamin E. And then I'll let it dry, and then I'll do my Saint makeup over top. And you need less makeup, especially if you have areas like I do, like if you have redness, or if you have melasma or hyperpigmentation, and you can't get the coverage that you need with Saint. This acts as an amazing primer, and it really helps the longevity of your makeup as well, especially if you have oily skin. It's beautiful. This leaves like a little bit of a matte finish, but it's not like flat matte. It's beautiful. Put a little bit down there. So now let's do. So today I'll let that set for a minute, and then I'm gonna do my eyes. So I'm gonna do a very simple eye today. Eyeshadow 101 with one color. So today I'm just gonna use this beautiful soft pink, and this is called On Wednesday. I've been using this color on repeat. So if you're intimidated by eyeshadows, and a lot of ladies are, start with one color. And this is a really, really soft shimmer. I don't wear really sparkly eyeshadows. I have mature eyes. I have lots of wrinkles and texture in there. Lots of little crinkly areas. So these are some of my favorites. So these are all soft shimmers. So they're great for mature eyes. So if you're looking for a color, reach out and let me know. And this is just gonna add beautiful brightness to my eye. So I'm just gonna put that, I'm not coming up over here. I'm keeping that right on that lid. I don't wanna go into any of the textured areas, and that's all I'm gonna do for an eyeshadow today. Quick and easy, beautiful for on the weekend. If you're just running out the door and you just want a little something on your eyes, this is a beautiful, it's like a silvery pink. Get a mirror behind me. Wipe my finger off. I'm gonna take my eyeshadow brush, make sure that's clean. Whip that off, and then I'm just going to just softly feather that out over there, just so there's no extra texture. Now, if you want to go in with another color now, you definitely can. You can even use your bronzer, which is beautiful. Let me see if the comments are coming up, ladies. You know what Facebook is like. It just keeps, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh no, Kim. I got the comments now. I hope you feel better Was it icy out and the dogs tripped you up? I know you said the dogs took you. So if you wanted to now, you can add a little bit of a lighter color. This is really nice. This is base. This is actually chai. Great color for everyone. And this is basic. Two really nice neutral colors that you can use as well, or you can use your bronzer. Let's do a little bit of bronzer. Actually, I'll show you that. So I'm going to tap in with, what brush am I going to use? You don't really need to use a brush. You can use your finger as well. Just use your finger. So contour is very creamy. So let's just do a little bit on the outer corner, just to add a little bit of dimension on that outer corner and come up on that hood. And then you can take your brush and blend it out and just lightly tap that in. And you can take a little bit of that as well and bring it right underneath that lash line. You know me. If you watch me long enough, you know I'm always doing that. And then you can lightly just blend that out. And there you have a really pretty soft eyeshadow look. And that little bit of bronzer really added to that outside corner. Hi, Carol, how are you? I heard you got your order put in with someone else, so that was good. Hi, Mom, how are you? I'll call you later. So, mascara. Let's do our mascara, and then we'll get onto my face. So all I have on my face right now is my Celesty BB Cream. And I'm just doing a no makeup look today. And it's for anyone that would like to add a couple of extra things into their existing routine, or you can use it underneath your SEINT makeup. And it's a beautiful primer with SPF. So I'm just doing a really light coverage of, I'm using the Celesty mascara. Still haven't received my SEINT mascara. I think it's been a month since I ordered them. And there's been 2 mix-ups by me, not by SEINT, by me. Perfect. And yeah, so this is my 3rd reorder. I've been getting the addresses wrong each time. And Canada Post, US Post is very, very particular. So if it's not the exact address, they will not deliver it to you. So hopefully I'll get that next week. So I'm still using my Celesties, which I love. This is the Be Brave. I'm horrible putting mascara on online. Okay, that's good enough. So quick, easy eye on Wednesday and just a little bit of bronzer, Bella bronzer. Let's do our faces. So it's all flat matte now. So we need to add some dimension. And that's the beautiful thing about SEINT is that it has beautiful shape and dimension. It just brings your features back to life. So I'm gonna start with what brush do I wanna use today? Let's do something light. Let's go into, where's the blend brush? No, that's the shape brush. Let's do the shape brush today. One of my favorites. I was looking at this the other day, and it's like in comparison to your features, because everybody's features, like I don't have a large forehead, but it's not small. But some ladies have a really small forehead. So if you're using the blush and bronzer brush, like this is good for my head because I have a bigger forehead. But if you have a smaller forehead, try using a smaller brush. And this is like the mini version of the blush and bronzer brush. This is the shape brush. So if you have a little forehead, this brush, you see, it takes up less real estate on your forehead. So try a smaller brush when you're putting those on, because a lot of times, like that's a big brush to use. So if you have smaller features, use a smaller brush, and that will work better in those areas. So there's my little spiel on brushes for today. So I'm gonna go into the shape brush, and I'm gonna tap into my contour. So still gonna do the same, quick and easy, just gonna add a little bit of dimension. And if you're interested in that contour class next week, comment contour down below, and when I pop on, I can give you a little heads up. But yeah, I'm going to do a little contour class because a lot of ladies still get confused by contour, or they're scared, not confused really, they're more scared of it than anything else. So just adds a little bit of shape and dimension. I should have just did one side then the other, because you can really see it. And you can just see that just adds some nice, it just takes that flatness away. It just adds beautiful sculpting. You're just sculpting your features. And I like to tap it on lightly. And this is what I do most days. I know first when I started, I show you guys the cheetah hack, and that's just dotting it all over your face. But I find sometimes that gets a little hard to blend out. But putting it on with a brush, it's so nice and natural. And if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love the natural makeup look. Now, so that's my contour. That's all I'm gonna do with that. I'm not gonna do my nose. I'm going for that little no makeup look today. So next we're gonna go into our bronzer and our illuminator. I'm gonna tap into both just to add a little bit of color. And a little bit up here. you're gonna put goggles. This is how I do it. So you're thinking up and around and down. Around the eye, just where the sun would naturally hit. And when I tap them both together, I'm saving myself a step. So this is really, really quick and easy, especially in the morning times. And any extra, put that on your neck, and then we're gonna lightly blend out. And with the shape brush, you do nice soft circles. You wanna take it across your nose, you can. So if you have your regular foundation and you love that, you can still add on a cream product on top of that. And it would be beautiful, like a bronzer especially. If anybody hasn't tried the cream bronzer yet, let me know. It's beautiful on your skin. And it just gives you that beautiful sun-kissed look. And it just adds warmth to your skin. So I saw this the other day with another artist. She took her Illuminator and tapped into it lightly, and she put a little bit right here on the cheeks. And look at the glow that gives you. Just very, very lightly, and just adds a beautiful little glow, and then you can bring that up on your blades of your cheeks. So I've been loving that. I really, really like that. If you're into the glowy look, a little bit of Illumina right on the balls of your cheek. We can't put our blush here, because when we smile and we don't, it falls down. But a little bit of Illuminator is gorgeous. So today I'm going to use Hollywood, which is one of my absolute favorites. Really nice and natural. It's like a peachy pink, so it's beautiful on every skin tone. Every skin tone. If you have melasma or hyperpigmentation in this area, that little bit of a peachy pink will help neutralize that as well. So soft and pretty. This is one of the first colors that I tried with SEINT, and I still love it. I still love it. A little bit on our lips. I'm going to contour. I got you down, Kim. Yeah, we'll go over the brushes, how to apply it, different ways you can apply it. So yeah, and if you guys want to see anything, like I said, pop it in the comments. So this is Hollywood. How pretty is that? Now I'm going to add a little bit of extra because this is what I started it when I first started. It was like very, very neutral lips. But now, since I've been using SEINT, I like a little bit more color. I've added color to my life, so I'm going to add a little bit of Huckleberry. So this is Hollywood. Very nice, very neutral, just a soft pink. And then this is Huckleberry. This is one of the new colors. So I'm going to put a little bit of that over top, just to add a little bit of color. I never tried this combo. I do all my testing on lives. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I'm gonna add some to my cheeks now. A little bit up here, a little bit up here, and just blend that out. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. It just darkens it up enough, so because sometimes you put it light color on your lips and then it just makes you look washed out. So add a little bit of color, ladies. A little bit of color goes a long way. But that's my whole face. That's all I'm gonna do. My BB cream is what I used. I used a tiny bit of contour, a little bit of bronzer, illuminator, and cheek. That's all oh, and my eyes. On my eyes, I did my Bella bronzer, and then I did on Wednesday. I think, is that on Wednesday or that's Sis? I think that's Sis, actually. Let me have a look. Yeah, that's Sis. And that's all I did. Quick, easy. Love it. If you haven't tried SEINT, let me know. If you want to get color matched, ladies. If you have any questions, let me know. And then I'll be on next week with some classes. Drop your ideas below. Or if you want to take part in the contour class, comment contour below. Enjoy your weekend. And I will see you again soon. Bye, ladies. Have a great day.